Now here we have a glass case that has several artifacts that are directly from the school. You'll notice the three beanies over there with the letter C on them, the green background. Those were actually made by one of the wives of by the wife of one of the principals. I just can't imagine us doing that today. And of course here we have a t-shirt labeled Jane Addams Indians. The sports teams were known as the Indians. And there you have another beanie, and the two bells are from the school. And most schools have yearbooks. Insofar as Cedarville was concerned, we only have knowledge of, I believe, 4 years when they had yearbooks. In the case, I believe, of the 1955 and 56, they were known as, the books were known as the school days. I never know where that came from. And the other ones came from about 1938 and 1939. They are filled with photographs. One of the interesting things, and they're the only copies we have, one of the interesting things about at least the one from 38 or the one from 39 is that they were individually made. They had a student photographer who took a lot of pictures. He processes them, and he made enough prints so they could be cut apart and pasted into each book. I have no idea how many copies of the books were made, how many prints were made. It's very possible that these books, at least those last two, were not given to the students, but that they had to purchase them. But we have no background on how they began, or why they stopped. All we know is that there were only 4 different editions at 4 different years.